Virtucom Metals, established in 2011. We do custom sheet metal fabrication, custom powder coating, and we provide laser cutting services. We work for industrial companies, people in transportation, people in defense, a lot of stuff for the high-tech industry. We face a lot of varying challenges, one of them being return on investment, finding the right machine to do the job, and fitting it within our scope of work that we do. We found that the previous equipment suppliers, their prices were considerably higher than what we could currently get. So that was one of our sort of breaking points. What prompted the purchase of the new equipment was we were seeing a backlog in our current operations, and investing in this piece of equipment made a lot of sense because our return on our investment was going to be a lot shorter than it would have been dealing with our previous supplier. The issue for us was how fast can I get product to a customer? And the customer phones on Monday at 2 in the afternoon, I need this for tomorrow. Then you got to give it to them tomorrow. With the new Sintrax laser machine, we were able to reduce our lead time for people who are looking for prototypes or rush deliveries. And that's what the real purpose of this machine was. It's to provide quick turnaround to satisfy customer immediate needs. Couldn't do that before. Now I have the ability to do that. The quality and the service we've had out of it so far has exceeded expectations. The most surprising change we've had with the installations on our deburring machine in particular is provide us with super quality product. With our previous machine, our biggest frustration was the quality of the parts as they came out of the machine, particularly for countersunk holes. The deburring machine allows us to process parts on a much quicker basis. For example, we had a part where it had about 1,000 holes in it. Typically, we would have to hand file every single hole. It would take typically a day. We now put it through this new deburring machine, the Sintrax machine, and it's done in about 15 minutes. So that's a huge cost savings. Plus, we've had 0 rejects doing that, whereas before we had anywhere from 20 to 30% reject rate. With this machine, the countersunk holes, the edges, everything are finished properly. Instead of wasting time deburring by hand, these operators have now been repositioned to perform other functions which allow us to get more product out the door. So the savings in time and in quality have been huge for us. So as a machine, it's done its job excellent. Installing the new equipment went fairly well. As with installing any equipment, there's always little hiccups. But in this case, the hiccups were minor. Everything was put in place, installed, and running within days. Both our operators were fully operational on the machines within 2 to 3 days without any issues or any quality problems. Having a local Canadian supplier matters greatly for us because we're in an industry that requires quick turnarounds. Having a local supplier gives us the support that we need. Anytime we have any issues with our equipment, we've had immediate response either by phone or by text message. We get product the next day. I would definitely buy another Sintrax machine. I would recommend it 100%. Quality of the service, the parts, the production capabilities of these machines have exceeded our expectations. We've had 0 issues.